Good morning, finally. Hope you're all doing well. I haven't picked the camera up in a little while, but today is a bit different because we're working on this. But before I show you this,
oh, afternoon, people.
How is the mullet? The man, the myth, the McGraw.
Only mullet.
Ah, yeah, about that.
Not bad, thank you.
Everything good since last time, whenever that was, we seen you?
When was that?
I could not tell you. A couple of weeks ago, at least.
Yeah? Still here. Still fixing stuff. Yes, service MOT on this 1 minute. And then there's one for a steering arm gator. And okay. This one's not bad because he said you needed like 2,000-3,000 miles last year. And it's all brand new.
So we will leave Mr. McGraw to do a service.
Nothing really interesting today, but
No, and I don't have the battery to be showing anyway. Turned up to do some footage today and found out that this camera was ion dead, so I've chucked a little bit in there just so we could do a wee little intro. As you've seen in the last video, the cow. She's got her sides on, she's got windows, she got a door. I think that was probably the last video we actually seen. But she's coming together. John's dad's currently helping and doing some of the woodwork, as you can see. That piece goes up and around there. But we'll have a little look on that later once I've got a bit of battery. I am on this. The Karmann. This 2.4 isn't very well. So she has to come out. And we have got a brand spanking new one just by there, which is actually going in. But this thing is a beautiful van. And she's a lefty. Only 10% of the population is a lefty. Like me and this van. So yeah, all I'm doing at the minute is just pulling the whole front end apart. Just dropped all the fluids and or as much as I could. Front end apart. That can come out, and then we have to obviously put all of the pump and alternator, and because that is complete and utter, I might as well just show you. Bare block. Literally completely bare, including the sump. So that's going to be fun. And this thing is absolutely stunning. Such a nice van. And a few other things which we'll show you later. We have actually got a cool Zulu short nose. And a nice trailer. Ah, Mr. Namo's here. Hello, Mr. Namo. Ah, like that, is it? Yeah. Ah, nice to see you too, Mr. Namo. So, yeah, like I said, I haven't really got a wonderful amount of battery on here, so just thought I'd do a quick intro. Hello, buddy.
And my van's still running.
Yeah, I know.
VS6. So everyone was like, oh, VS6.
It's nice that Dice come back in a mood. Nice. Well, anywho. That is my job. Mr. Namo has just come back from an MOT, which he was doing rear quarter, bumper brackets, I think. Can't remember. I'm going to leave a time lapse on so you can have a little oversee of me pulling this lot apart. So once this is apart a bit more, I'll pull this back out. Once I've done that, we'll have a little looky-see and see what the next steps are. Anyway, enough rambling. Let's get this apart. Well, hopefully that footage is actually recorded because I got a feeling the footage wasn't very good. But if it isn't, this is how far we have got. So, fuel pump is down there. Got pretty much everything off. I have started taking all the covers and stuff off the side. And just started stripping this thing down because we are going to need a fair few bits of this for that new engine over there. I am going to take the injectors out. And just a few more little bits and bobs because I can't quite pull the engine yet because Mr. Yanni has got a nice big old van that he needs to try and get out, and because this thing it's going to be a bit of a tight squeeze. Motorhome, it's going to be a bit of a tight squeeze. Obviously if I'm out here with an engine, crane and everything else, it's going to make getting that out a wee bit of a problem. So I'm just stripping down. Once that thing moves, we shall pull this out. John's finished with a white van.
white ones, but I'm off the risk car. Pick up another one.
Oh yes, John's got a recovery, but not before steering arm. Mr. Yanni's going to finish the steering arm on that bad boy. That shall move, and then I can start playing remove L on this lot. Now I've got a little bit of battery. All of this lot has all been stuck down because this was all not connected. That's now all stuck down. The front is now got, probably see it better from, yeah, there you go. You can see that's now got a nice curve going up. That piece there, which goes up and around, is starting to make the framework. And then start making the nose cone that goes up and around. Look at this. This is mad. But yeah, you can see there is another piece. I don't know where that bit's gone. There's a bit that goes up and over there. And then we've got these bits. That is what goes there like that. Obviously up against there. This is all starting to come together lovely. And then there is the actual skin for the roof. And once obviously all the framework's on, and she will be weather ready. And Mr. Namo is just waiting for his van to arrive. How is Mr. Namo?
All good, thank you. Cleaning some panels.
And how's the VR6 TDA?
Yeah, come in. Now I'm done, to be honest.
That's
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I go Saturday wedge on the sliding door.
oh, on the other side.
Another side.
It's never done that, you know.
No, I still got to change the shocks, anti-roll bar. But audio's done. Some cushions now. Now, can I show you the thing? Hey,
I was just going to say, what? That's your actual van. So, there we go. Everyone updated it. Let's strip this. Well, there we go. So that turned out to be a little bit more of a struggle than I was hoping. The engine is out. Need to play the fun game of transferring everything over. Obviously gearbox, we have got a new clutch just by there. Manifolds, literally everything. I'm going to play the fun game, pulling everything off of this. So what I will do is I will set up one of those GoPros and I'll sit it, torch? No. I'll sit it up there and you can just kind of have a little looky-see of that. Mr. Yanni, he's just gone on the recovery. He shouldn't be too much longer. He's got a van on the ramp. You've definitely seen this one. This was Josh's van. He's been here for a few bits and bobs. Engine swap. I think this is a 1.9 originally. 2.5. Cruise. A couple of MOTs. He's now in for welding. So there's a few holes that need to be replaced, and then rear arches both sides and a little bit of floor. A few nasty little bits. So that'll keep Mr. Namo out of trouble. I'm gonna play engines. Strip this bad boy down. See how well this goes. Ready? Well, hopefully the time lapse is showing worthy. As you've probably hopefully seen, started pulling everything off, gearbox and well, this is actually off. It's it's going to show me up now, isn't it? Well, it is off, all the bolts are off. Apparently pulling that off one-handed isn't easy, so got a few more bits. Clutch, flywheel, a couple of pulleys, obviously that will come off. Cooler, power steering pump, mounts, and then drag that bad boy over, start doing that. But another van has arrived. This is the one that Mr. Yanni went and collected in the truck. And how's it going?
Once again, John's playing with spaghetti junction. Hang on, ready? Ready?
Ah. Yeah, the ECU was literally there and couldn't go to its proper place.
I don't think anything was. I still knew the engine was big in its right place.
It's kind of got a few minor issues, like it doesn't run.
It does.
Well, it does now. It runs more now that you've done the thing than before. So John's just playing fix the problem.
Find the problem. How is he? Oh, I have to drink the coolant
Why?
because it's all wrapped on the water pipes in the wrong way.
Ah. Smiling on the outside, crying on the inside. I should keep you busy for 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Well, this is an early 2.5 converted to a 1.9 and then converted back to a late 2.5. So it's a mismatch of all of the above. Luckily enough, John loves this. That's what Mr. Yanni's doing. He's currently doing that tub. And I am going to crack back on with doing this. Hopefully leave us over there with him. We're going to listen to some Biggie. See you in a time lapse. So, let's have a little bit of a check-in with everyone on what everyone's up to. I started getting all this lot built up. Putting on the oil cooler housing, dipstick. Just starting to work my way round. Injectors, glow plugs, sensors. Still waiting for the thermostat to come in. And also waiting for the sensor housing to come in. But yeah, it's giving everything a nice little clean. As you heard in the background, Mr. Yanni's got this thing working. Got the loom going where the loom is supposed to go. Mr. Yanni did figure out that the fuel lines were on the wrong way around, which didn't help. Also, new fuel filter, because that was old and decrepit and not help him. Mr. Yanni's done well.
She's not fixed yet, but
She's more fixed than she was.
she's slightly more fixed than she was, yeah.
So well done, Mr. Yanni. And while we're showing progress, Mr. Namo is done patch on the top of there, patch on the top of there, and patch down by there. Look at that. Now I'm guessing. Well done, boss man.
Yeah. Not a bad job.
All other productiveness. And I'll pick this back up tomorrow when it's daylight. So see you in the daylight. And welcome to the next day. As you can see, nice and bright. Not sunny, but bright. We have been here for a couple of hours. I have kind of done a little bit more putting together. Well, pretty much officially finished with this engine. Now the sump's off, which I need to give a clean because it's got coolant in it. And there shouldn't be, so I need to give that a good clean. But this is pretty much ready to move, and then I can take the mounts off. And then I can put that one on the crane, which then means I can start rebuilding that a bit more better. Mr. Yanni's still here.
We are getting there.
You're enjoying this, aren't you? She now actually runs and idles and starts. But Mr. Yanni has to have a slight break from doing this because there's another van coming in, which Yanni needs to do. We'll leave Mr. Yanni to put this back together a bit more. And then we'll go get his other van. Have fun! I did tell you about it the other day. Kind of forgot to show you. The short nose Zulu 2.5 petrol. Such a nice van. So this is another project for another day. But we have a Zulu short nose aircon petrol. That's the nicest closing door I think I've ever shut. Look at that. Beautiful. There's all the updates updated. I'm going to play tidy up, make a bit of room so John can get on his ramp and I can swap stuff about. But thought an update was worthy, so I'll put this down and get on with this. See you when I pick this up again. Well, unfortunately, I forgot to do a proper outro. This is just me just rebuilding the engine, moving a bunch of auxiliary parts over, and just getting this thing a bit more ready to put back in the engine bay. I hope that you enjoyed this footage. If you did, please give us a great big thumbs up because it massively helps the channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for putting out a Vardam ass, and as always, take it easy.